Hey guys, welcome to Ivan's Kitchen. And so today you're going to see recipe which is Goa's all-time favorite, which is super moist, perfectly seasoned, traditional Goan tender roast beef recipe. Roast meat can be enjoyed with cooked potatoes, french fries along with a salad or as a sandwich. You can also make beef chili fry out of it. And now let's see how to prepare it. First take mixer jar, then add 10 garlic cloves, then add 2-inch ginger, add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2-inch cinnamon sticks, half teaspoon black peppercorns, add 12 cloves, then add 2.5 tablespoon Goan vinegar, then blend this to a smooth paste. It must be something like this. Then leave this aside to use later. Then take 800 grams beef, cut the meat in large pieces. Then add some salt to taste. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, then add 1 stock cube, then add the previous made masala. Add 1/3 cup water. Mix well. Then marinate this overnight or at least for 3 hours. Then in hot pan add oil. Then add 3 chopped onions. Then fry the onions until soft. Then add 1 tomato chopped. Then fry this until tomato is soft. Then add 20 cloves, add 3-inch cinnamon sticks, then fry this for 2 minutes. Then add the marinated beef. Then add 1 cup water. 4 Kashmiri dry red chilies, then cover and cook until beef is soft. Then give this a nice mix. So the beef is perfectly cooked. Then cut the beef as shown. Then add the beef slices back in the masala. Then give this a nice mix. Then add some chopped coriander leaves. Cover and cook on low flame for 3 to 5 minutes. So the beef roast is ready to serve now. Please do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment. It is delicious, simple and easy recipe. You will absolutely love it. Also, if you like this recipe, please hit the like, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.